Can an AI editor actually handle real creative challenges like cartoonizing, cinematic edits, or fantasy remixes without breaking the image? Today I am pushing Flux Context to its limits and you will see every result. Hey creators, welcome back. In this video I am diving into the dev version of Flux Context AI image editor. We are breaking it down into 3 parts so you can get the full experience. We'll throw some wild editing challenges at AI. Cartoon looks, cinematic styles, maybe even a fantasy remix or two. Then I'll show you where Flux Context can actually fit into your workflow, whether you are a designer, YouTuber, or just into creative visuals. And finally, I'll walk you through how to install it offline, completely free, and use it without limits. If you are into AI tools, image editing, or just want a cool free resource in your creative toolkit, stick around, this one's packed. First up, I took a regular YouTube thumbnail and gave it this prompt. Convert this thumbnail into a cartoon style except for the text. And wow, just look at this. The characters eating spaghetti. Now they are full-on cartoons. Even the fruit being chopped turned into cartoon style. But the text stay untouched. That's the crazy part. It actually followed the prompt perfectly, except the text, just like I asked. This one passed the test way too easily. Next, I went a bit crazy. I gave it an image of a parrot and this prompt. Make this character look like an astronaut with a space helmet and galaxy background with glowing cosmic elements. And guys, look at this. It actually placed the parrot inside a space helmet, galaxy background, glowing effects, like it was born to be an astronaut. AI is getting spooky good now, like we are not safe. Alright, now for something more realistic, I gave it a bright daylight image and this prompt. Make this a professional studio portrait with soft lighting, blurred background, and fashion style enhancement. And honestly, the lighting changed completely. The background softened, skin smoothened, and the whole vibe turned editorial. I don't give it a perfect image either, just natural light, and still it nailed it. Okay, this one is weird, but in a good way. I gave it a picture of beautiful woman and said, turn this face into a dragon human hybrid with scaly skin, glowing eyes, and dramatic fantasy lighting. And oh my god, it's creepy, but accurate. The scales, the glow, the mood, it actually pulled it off. It's terrifying and yet exactly what I asked for. Props to AI for committing to chaos. Last one, and honestly, my personal favorite. I had this lovely sunny image of a couple cycling during golden hour and gave this prompt. Convert this into a dark, moody cinematic scene with dramatic shadows, rain, and a film grain look. And boom! Rain, shadows, color grade, film texture. It's changed the entire emotion of the image from joyful to dramatic, just like that. This is next level cinematic editing from a prompt. So yeah, Flux Context isn't just a gimmick. Whether it's cartoon, fantasy creatures, or cinematic edits, it responds shockingly well to specific prompts. Let me know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. Let's talk about how this tool can actually fit into your creative workflow. If you design YouTube thumbnails, social posts, or any kind of visual hook, Flux Context can be your virtual assistant. Want a cartoon style portrait for your channel art? Boom. Want a dramatic cinematic background to make your text poop? One prompt away. Instead of searching photos and playing for templates, this thing can generate custom visuals based on your ideas. For digital artists or illustrators, Flux Context can work as a fast ideation tool. Imagine sketching out a basic concept and then prompting Flux to turn it into a sci-fi version, a medieval fantasy version, and a moody noir version, all in minutes. This isn't replacing your art, but it's helping your brainstorm styles, moods, and directions faster. If you are in AI workflows or prompt engineering, this tool is literally a playground. You can test how well it responds to abstract prompts, explore visual styles, and even use it to train your creative intuition for other generative models. And honestly, it's just fun. You can turn an old photo into an epic space scene, turn your pet into a fantasy warrior, or make your selfie look like it belongs in a Marvel movie. There is something satisfying about giving life to an idea and seeing the AI just get it. So yeah, Flux Context isn't just a cool AI demo, it's a real creative tool that can speed your visuals workflow, help you ideate, and make your content stand out. And now, for the best part, you don't even need to rely on cloud or paid accesses. In the next section, I'll show you how to set up Flux Context offline. Use it completely free and create as much as you want, no limits. Okay, so this part is little bit tricky, but once you set it up, you're seriously going to thank me later. First off, just head over to your PC or laptop. Make sure you will have got a comfortable setup, and more importantly, make sure Python is installed. Why? Because most of the files we will be working with run through Python in the terminal or command line. Now head over to Comfy UI page. I have linked it in the description below. This is where Flux Context live. You will first need to install the base Comfy UI setup. It's the backbone of everything you are about to do. Once Comfy UI is installed, scroll down to the section where they list 3 main models, including the one used by Flux Context. Make sure to download all the 3 of your files and head up. These models are a bit heavy, but nothing too crazy. The official docs say you need high space, but trust me, I'll run this on low to mid-end PCs and it works just fine. And if you're wondering where to install it, I recommend putting Comfy UI on your desktop. It makes it easier to find, open, navigate all the necessary folders. Open your Comfy UI terminal. On the same project page, you'll find a workflow preview. It looks like butterfly jewelry style node duck. Just drag and drop that file into a Comfy UI window and right click and paste it. Here is a quick overview. Once the model loads, here is the layout. Drop your image into the first node, write your prompt in the second node. Preview window shows live results. Your final image will appear in the output window. That's it. Clean, visual, and super intuitive. So now you have got Flux Context running offline, generating unlimited AI images with total creative freedom. No subscriptions, no internet needed, just you, your prompt, and powerful results. If this helps you set it up, drop a comment below, and if you are stuck anywhere, I have got you. Let's make this AI tool easy for everyone to use. See you in the next one. Peace out.